Hi. So by clicking on the sizing chart in My Apps, you can easily access the Aplara dashboard. Now, in the General tab, you can actually choose on what devices do you want to enable Aplara by just clicking on these sliders. Do you want to get it enabled on desktop or mobile? Then coming down, you can choose the location of Find Your Fit button. Like, do you want to place it before or after any specific element? Then how will you determine the element? Will it be through class or will it be through ID? And this is the address of the particular element, that is address of the particular class or ID. Then you can click on save changes and proceed to the next tab. In the sizing chart, you can easily set the unit of measurement that you want to take, like is it centimeters or inches, and then you can set the default unit. Now scrolling down, you can easily customize the size estimator button and sizing chart options. You can easily customize the font, the background color, the text. Then you can easily preview the changes you have made, and then you can click on save changes and proceed to the next tab. This is the data input tab. Here you can see I have all the products listed on my store. Now when I click on the add button, I can see the find your fit option on the main store. So like after clicking add, I can see there's this edit option because I have already added the Aplara app on the t-shirts. So when I click on the edit button, here I can actually choose the gender. I can choose like in which product category it is, for example like jackets, hoodies and sweatshirts. And then here I could edit the size chart. So I could either add column, let's add like neck, then I'll put some dummy entries. I could then add new row, delete row, or delete the last column. Then I'll click on save. And when I refresh the app, refresh the store, then I can see find your fit, and then by clicking on the sizing chart instead, I can see the changes that I've made. There is individual products category, the products which do not fit in any of the regular products and have different sizing chart or different dimensions. Then we can even add it in the individual products, wherein I could do the same process with those. I can add the Aplara app to these products and then set the sizing chart. Coming back to analytics, I can choose the time frame of which I want to see the analytics, like the last 7 days, the last 10 days, or last 14 days. Then from which platform do I want to see the analytics, like from mobile users or the browser only, or the combined users. Then the user role, I want the anonymous sessions or the unique sessions. So anonymous are the unique users shopping sessions, and unique sessions are raw users. So then I get the data in 3 forms, like the sizing chart click percentage, users who click on sizing charts as percentage of their total visit. Then the per session visits, users count who click on the sizing charts button. And then the per session loads, user count who load the final product page where sizing charts button is present. Then coming back to the last tab, that is the instructions tab. Here you can see all the instruction videos with detail of all the processes, that how do you customize the look of Aplara interface, find your fit button, adding size chart, and viewing the analytics. Thank you.